So we are here to talk about Alkaline album, NPT.
A few moments later.
There is no hit song on that album.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The only way that there's a hit song on that album, unless Jamaica accept, we don't want to say fuckery.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them lock.
Go on, don't know Media Fox enough, people. This is promotional purposes. Alkaline album. Go on, go stream, go on, go buy it, buy up the merge them. Yo, the clothes them tough. Yo, the man merge them tough, people. I tell you that the merge them tough, the shirt them, the pullover, everything. Go buy the album, people. You understand? Buy it, stream it. You see me? Yeah, man, cause want be great. Want great things happen for dancehall. You understand? Yeah, man, you know what things say. But me say, the brother you forward out. And I say a bag of thing, I have to just laugh because I have the evidence, everything we must say. You understand?
Every day above ground is a blessing, chat. Always remember that. So, chat, I am here to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing else but the truth.
And remember, people, there's a reason why I'm pull up that video. Him is a Gazaman. But look what I go on.
So help me God. So we are here to talk about Alkaline album, NPT. See? We could get the first thing out of the way first. There is no hit song on that album. Let's get that out of the way. There is no hit song on that album. Okay? Let's get that out of the way.
You hear them talk? No hit song on that album. Me never know say one somebody can tell. Wait there. So how a Gazaman I got tell a artist where them not rate. Vendetta artist say no hit song not on the album. Like how can you prove say a song now got hit by 1 year's listening to it? Me not understand that. 1 year's make 1 year's the music go through feel and say it's not it. And you know what the worst thing, people? It's so funny say Gazaman them listen to Alkaline album and can review it. But we're gonna make him talk.
The only way that there's a hit song on that album, unless Jamaica accept, we don't want to say fuckery, unless Jamaica accept changes, see? But there's no hit song on that album. No joke. Alright.
Yo, I tell the people, as me say people promotional service, just go buy and stream the album. You understand? The man say until Jamaica accept. Wait, people, are Jamaica alone listen to music? Listen to dancehall? Or the world listen to it too? Me don't understand this. Me don't understand this, brother. Where them people come from? I just a bag of hype on run within a dog. And that's why I know they are talking, hype on run within. We don't love the music in a dog. I'm telling you, we don't love the music. You see me? We just run with a bag of hype. I know say if I'm a favorite artist sing them a song, it'll be a different talk.
That out of the way. There are 16 songs on the album. 16, right? 2 songs are added that was already put to the mass, put to the media, we the people, to listen. 2 old songs, Key Man and Emotions. See? Alright, let me remove them there outside. So, 14 songs left. See?
Brother, the 2 songs, no Emotions will drop like about in January. That not old, brother. That not old. I don't know what you mean by old song. Key Man are just like last year. The thing not even reach 7 years yet. The thing not even reach a year yet. The song them not even reach a year yet. You talk about old. No old song them there, brother.
Out of the 14 songs from the album, remember I know, me remove 2, Emotion and Key Man. See? Me remove them there. Left 14. So out of the 14 now, see? Out of the 14 songs on the album, I am not going to tell a lie. I'm going to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing else but the truth. Right? You have a song named Our World. See? That can listen to. It's not bad. It can listen to. You have a song named Sacrifice. That can listen to. Listen what I'm not saying now. Yeah, you notice what I'm saying? Me not say it bad. No. Me say it can listen to. So that means say it just can listen to. See?
Yo, people. I tell you, you know, these men don't care about music. The man say I'm not gonna inside, but it can listen to. Don't you feel that's how music work? The constant ringing of the song you listen every day in your ears, people start do it, and then fans like say yo them want to hear that song and all of them little thing, the fans reaction and every little thing, and then the DJ them say what go on and start play it, and that's how it work, brother. You understand? The song them tough. The only reason is because your artist drop it. You understand? It's not your artist drop it. You see me? But how would we even meds a Gazaman I give a review for Alkaline album? Tell me now, people. It's so funny, right? In people, it's so I saw Vybz Kartel drop so many albums since he has released. And these people never fall upon the media and review and can point out one of the songs that can be listened. This has to be studied. I never hear these men talk about Vybz Kartel album like this. Maybe the new one we are going forward up, they might come talk about it. You know why? Because of Alkaline. Trust me, they have done this same thing in 2016. You see, when Alkaline drop album, Kartel drop album after, and them are going to use Alkaline as a benchmark for compare to the Alkaline album to Kartel. So you don't know the little competition there. So. But you say if you drop album and Alkaline not drop, them not care because them not have nothing for grade offer, nothing for compare with. Kartel, before like couple weeks before Kartel filed from prison, right? He drop a album named Party next to me or something like so. Party with me. I don't hear talk about none. Never hit the billboard. When I hear them talk about it, when I hear them review it, right? Then you have him have a next one named Vikings. Number 10 on the chart. It sell about 980 copies. I not too hear them talk about it like that. Him drop the other one where nominated for Grammy. Nobody know that one. I hear them review it. I hear them call out the song. They not do nothing with it. But it's so funny that these men here are listen to all the Alkaline song. Remember, you know, them now pull up for them artists album and grade it, you know. But it show you to me, Gaza people them, I don't know, to be honest people, me have Gaza friends. But them love the music. You understand? Them not hatred for no artist or something. See? The thing is that it's so funny that these men artists drop so many albums. I mean, never see them review and come talk and give a big long old statement about for them artist album. But they have so much to say about Alkaline album. Una should not pull up for an artist album. I know not go pull up the new one, you know. Because of Alkaline. Alkaline make no one disinterested for review albums. Because I go use theme for compare it with Kartel one. But remember this. Alkaline alone depend on the album, yeah. I dominate. Remember that. You understand? So, I always tell you no say, if you don't live in a glass house, don't throw a stone.
Sacrifice, our world, raise the bar. One more day, you know. One more day. About 4 songs can listen to.
Graduate him attack. People, it's so funny. The man they are call out 4 songs out of the album. 4 songs. Remember, I know 4 and put I say 1. And I never see the man pull up Kartel album and call out 4 songs with their rate. Jaja youth.
To my ears, what me can say. Listen to. Yeah, man. No joke. But as me say, me don't know what Alkaline fans them like. They might like the album, but this is a man who just tell the truth when it comes down to music. Because me deal with music long time with this thing. You see what I say? Me tell you say me I go a sting. From sting I keep a stadium. Yes, stadium. So I go through all of the clash them. You see what I say? Yeah. So listen me again.
So brother, what clash have to do with album? I don't understand. Brother, you know say more while I don't know if you really have that type of IQ still, you know. Yeah man. But I'm just glad say Alkaline album I teach, you know. But when you just I don't know. When you just listen but you don't learn. You understand?
4 songs. 3 to 4 songs can listen to on the album. Where make sense. You see me?
Just say bad bro, but we make sense. So understand say Alkaline I know your artist, so you don't want to say yo, he bad as a Gazaman. This song them tough. You understand? It tough bro. If you say your album Ray and T and you can call out 4 songs, you not even say 1. It sure say it tough bro, but you just don't want to talk the truth. You understand? Sometimes the biasness and the hate, we don't really meds music, bro. You understand? We don't made music and quality. That are the problem. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you say if you made music, you don't all pull up on an artist album and listen to it and all of them things there. Or maybe you listen to it and you say you're not too rare 100 like that, you just not bother review it. But so funny, you have everything for Alkaline, what you say? You see me? You come like say, to me, you really rate Alkaline music, you know, more than Kartel, because when you check it, you talk about Alkaline music more than you talk about Kartel music. You understand? You don't have everything to say about it. Yeah, man, you have to rate artist music so if you talk about it like that. Because I nah so pull up Alkaline, nah so pull up Kartel album and review it and tell you say, yo, you see them 4 songs, yeah man, it's tough. You nah do it. Me I tell you no. I'm not even buy and support it. Because for artists like Kartel where big in the game, you see me, the giant in the game, and if you see Kartel sell that amount of copies, it show brother, you not really support the artist musically, dog. When you just whatever song pick up in the hype algorithm that I want to run with. You understand?
That's it. Alkaline have a song named Bad on the album. Alright.
People, hear the madness where I got talk about.
Tell you why me can't rate a song, you see? You see the song when named Bad? Some Alkaline fan they might rate that song there. But a man like me can't rate that song there. Because Alkaline are not a bad boy. So you see where me I come from? Alkaline don't know nothing about badness. You see me? That's why when me tell you say when Massacre sing certain song about badness, me just say, okay, Massacre drop a next bad man song. And that's it for me. It's not relatable because as I said,
bro, a criminal mindset you not have, dog. I remember say I see them things sending an artist a prison. You understand? Them thing they want to pre, dog. A badness on a pre, brother. On a pre music. You are gonna say, you listen to the song when you're bad. And you say, Alkaline nah do badness, so that's why the song not bad. A them thing on a pre, bro. Eh? So artists have to be bad man for sing bad man song. So wait, badness no reflection of society. You can't see a friend do badness, or you know your family do badness, and sing a song about it. You have to bad for sing about song? I never know about this, right? I don't understand. Most of the artists them where you see a sing about badness, I know them do the badness, dog. I know them do the badness, brother. So I don't know what you are talking about.
them don't know the gangster word. They mirror people life. You get what I say? Yeah. So, me can't rate a song there. But Uno might rate a song there. You get what I say? Yeah. But at the same time as me tell you, say, if me for grade Alkaline album, listen, me have a grade the album. I am going to grade Alkaline album right now. If me for grade the album there, I'm going to give 5.5. I'm not telling a lie.
I wonder how much them give Vybz Kartel album where nominated for Grammy. How much you no give the album there? Alright, a matter of fact. Seeing? When last on a grade one a Kartel album them since him found out? More and when people. When last on a grade Vybz Kartel album them when him forward out? Me not hearing a grade Kartel album. It seemed to me say it shows say the album really tough. For you can get up and go listen it and grade it and not listen and grade for no artist album. As me say people, you see new album with Kartel a go drop soon. Trust me, them are gonna do a bag of things with that because the Alkaline, them want the competition. They call it the album wave. Remember Kartel been a drop album, nobody not talk about it. Alkaline drop album a create chaos over dancehall. Everybody have things to say. But you don't know who wanna rate him. You see me? Yeah, the people that really love music and them fans, them know the album tough.
I do not tell a lie. I am just going to tell the honest truth. 5.5. You see me? Like I said, the song when name Our World, can't listen to. The song when name Sacrifice, can't listen to. The song when name Our World, Sacrifice. Raise the Bar, can't listen to. And I think a song name, how do you write the name? Aura. You can't listen to. You see what I say? That's it. You notice me never say them the bad. No. Them can't listen to. You see me? Me give the album 5.5. That's a code. You get me I say? Yeah. Every day above ground is a blessing. Yo, Alkaline not even, the man not even add a little features on the album breaking. Not even a little features. Jesus Christ, man.
You know, with Uno, and me understand, that are the problem. You know? I'm kind of realize now, say, Uno can't dominate something by himself. Because we know say majority of the album them in a dancehall is collaboration. And that's the problem. And Alkaline is a youth. He want to show you different flows, different topics, different things them can do in them album. You understand? And this is why it show me say sometimes you can't just do it by yourself. It's like when you feel like so remember say una alone born, you know. Seeing una alone born. Alkaline been do collaborations with different artists and singles. Seeing? But this album, the youth want dominate it. He want show different flows, different talent, girl song, meditation song, bad man song. That's what the youth want do. The youth want show know how music work. You understand? But uno know, we understand, uno do no collaboration, fine do or not do. But it's showing to say, yo, uno not really listen to the artists like musicians in a musical way. You understand? Uno just uno think with biasness. That's the problem, biasness. See? But we know the album them we go forward, Massacre and Cartel, how them dog go work out. You see me? Yeah, and uno go come say a bag of things with that. But it's fine. We done good with the album, you know. Yeah, man. We done good with the album. Uno remember say, uno no rate Alkaline, so we expect it. You understand? But it's so funny that uno listen Alkaline album and review it more than uno do Funa artist album.
Bro, you gotta change your ways, man. You gotta change your antisocial ways, bro. Your fans them have to tell it, yo. No. The fans them have to tell it this and you listen to your fans them, bro. When your fans them talk to you, you need to listen to them. You see me? Yeah. When the Gaza talk to Vybz Kartel, him listen, you know? Trust me, him listen. You see me? Him listen and him see everything. Yep, just believe me when I tell you. Him listen and he sees everything online. Yeah, man. Yo.
Let me tell you this. And this is why you have a lot of artists. Like musically, it's like them not in a last long. First of all, you as an artist, you have to lead the people. Remember that. You have to lead the people. You can't make the fans lead you. Because the moment the fans start to lead you, yeah, the fans can make suggestions. But you have to guide your fans. When your fans don't say, yo, you drop the album, yeah, your fans, yo, this tough. Your fans will understand. You see me? It's not everything what your fans tell you means that you must do it. Because sometimes in life, when it's like you watch a movie, if you know everything what happen in a movie, it'll come like nothing to you. But when something happen in it where you don't know and shock you, you say, bomba, this stuff. So that you don't realize. Whatever Cartel want to do, him do. You see me? This not have nothing to do with Alkaline. You see?
Look at a man like Silk Bass. A man like Silk Bass will come like a cheerleader for the Vendetta. You couldn't put a Silk Bass. You couldn't put a Silk Bass on your album, brother. Me not telling a lie. Silk Bass. I bet you stop cheer for your Alkaline, dog. Me just tell you the truth. Alkaline. You couldn't put Silk Bass on your album, brother. The man say a Vendetta and thing there. You couldn't put the man on your album, brother. No features at all. No, sir. No features, bro. None.
At that, but no. Because you know you used to collaboration with different artists. And that's the problem, you know. That's why I get up every day, yo, trash album, this and that. Because none for the artists them not show them full potential, them full skill in an album. Because remember, you release 14 or 16 track, you alone. Right? When people listen you alone on an album, they will know if you're really talented and if you can move sounds and every little thing. A lot of artists afraid to do that. Because them feel like say them can't have the true potential. Like them feel like say, yo, Jano, I can't do certain things. So that's why you see some of them get other artists to do a little collaboration and all of them little thing there. You see me? Because some of them just don't want to do the full work. It's a lot of work to make a solo album, you know. You have to really have talent to do that. You understand? And when Alkaline do the album, yeah, it's tough. And that's why they talk about it than talk about one artist album.
No, sir. Me not gonna tell you that. The album boring. Me just tell the truth. The album boring. Like really boring.
Okay. Now I see. Now. So, the collaboration. Okay, people. Such a Alkaline a feature with no artist on it. Okay, I see. Okay. You see? Oh boy. See a lot of people do albums and collaboration and it's still no you don't even get the talk about like Alkaline. Imagine people. You have artists out there who do collaboration on them album, right? And them album not even talk like how Alkaline himself alone the power album. Them not get talk about, them not to listen it and review it and talk about it like that. For real. Like even the amount of album release in a short space of time. And I never see them talk about the album like Alkaline album. The same album, imagine, the same, everybody, wait. Yo, I'm not drop no album. Yo, Winter no done it. Everybody here now. Oh, try him alone depend it. Oh, yo, this boring, this and that, and read this and that. It's music. You understand? It's music. I don't know if I understand. Say, brother, you know Gaza man, you know, Gaza brain, you know, have enough. So I don't really understand music like that. You see me? The world out there listen to Alkaline music, you know. Because if I own alone, brother, music not reach nowhere. You see me? It not reach nowhere. You see it? I just that.
And like I say, I'm here to tell the truth and nothing else but the truth. No it song not upon that. The only me tell you, the only way it song upon the album there is unless Jamaica start listening to pure fuckery and the music thing does change. Yeah. Not saying the album is fuckery now, but unless they just accept fuckery. We just
Yo, people, the mentality here, I tell you, you know, the dancehall space with music, it changed. You know, a dancehall there right now, the fan base, may I tell you, the man say Jamaica upset Alkaline album, a shaggy. Wow. Wow. But you see, the fool is the last, you know. And I go realize what I go on. Just go on. I see a lot of songs when I say yo Ray this and flap and Ray. I see I see a song Alkaline sing a Barclays. I mean no see enough people go in there with love dancehall. People know the song out there in the world, you know. When I feel like that Jamaicans alone listen to music, and that's no problem. Because when used to run with hype with songs. Hype, and when the hype done, the song stop play. Nobody now meds it. That uno do. Alkaline put out music out there for people can have longevity, for listen forever. Why after 13 years and 10 years? Why when said that, right? Why him alone as a young youth to sell out Barclays by himself? I dominate Barclays by himself. But the song them, with the domination, the album them, where artists do, all of them look a thing there. And them still can't do what the youth do. Tell me. Nah, make no sense. It just not add up.
I don't know anyone else to say it. You get me? But me not say album of fuckery. But me give 5.5. You see me? I'm here to tell the truth and nothing else but the truth. So help me God. Every day.
Brother, that's your opinion, brother. You're not telling the truth. You see me? You're not telling the truth. Especially your Gazaman. You can't tell the truth, brother. You see me? Because some song when me soon run with about this or way. Me have to just laugh. You see me? When just bias. You see it? A good quality album that. You can't just say what they don't want to say in that. Because at the end of the day, you don't control music.
Above ground is a blessing. I'm out.
People, big up on yourself, and as me say, promotional purposes. You don't know media fast got to work already, you see me? Yeah man, just go buy and stream the album. You see me? Song them tough. It no matter what the haters want to say. You see me? Them don't really care about the music. You see it? Yeah. And the music run dancehall. Yeah man, no bag controversy and all that. Them don't run dancehall, brother. You see it? Music. Dancehall represent music. You see me? Controversy thing, that's just an internet thing. You see me? Dancehall is music. When you go out there in the world, a dancehall you listen to. You see me? You not listen to controversy. You see, dancehall music. Music alone can grow the genre, not controversy. Controversy is an internet thing. You see it? Yeah man. So people, big up on yourself, you know. And I don't know what things said. That is it.